Morning students, welcome back to SR tutorial. So today I am going to discuss regarding some basic accounting terms. Okay, so there are 5 heads of account. The first one is asset, then liability, then here you see expenses, revenue and capital. Okay, so here you see what do you mean by asset. Asset means property of a person, property of a company or property of a business, okay, which has its own value, okay, and by selling out property the person or the company or the businessman can meet its debts, its commitments or legacies. Commitments means dedication to any event, okay, or activity. Okay, so in order to suppose a person has a plot of land, okay, given by someone, okay, and he want to construct house in that plot of land, so that is his commitment, okay, and the land which is acquired by the person is his legacy. Okay, so here you see what are the examples of asset: land and building, plant and machinery and furniture. Okay, then you see what is liability. Liability is something a person or company owes, usually a sum of money. Okay, example, goods purchased on credit. Okay, so the business purchases goods on credit, means payment has not been made at the time of purchase of goods, so that is a liability for the company or the person. Okay, at a particular future date the person or the company has to pay the amount of goods purchased, so that stands as a liability for the person until and unless he makes the payment. Okay, then you see what are expenses. Expenses are an expense is a cost that business incur in running their operations. So in order to run the business, okay, whatever cost is done or made by the business is an expense for the business. Example, wages for the laborers, salaries for the employees, maintenance, rent, etc. And what is revenue? Revenue is the income generated from normal business operations. Okay, so as the business is performing normal business operations means, okay, the operations or the activity, okay, which the business is dealing in. Okay, so rent received or money received for services provided to customers. So there is a beauty parlor, okay, so after providing services to customers, whatever money is received by the parlor, that is a revenue for the parlor. Okay, so that is revenue. And come to capital. Capital is the finance invested by the businessman, okay, in his business. Okay, so the finance which is brought into the business is capital. Example, Ramesh started business with cash rupees 20,000. So that is capital, the first amount of money brought into the business. Okay, so I hope you have understood, okay, what are the 5 heads of account. Okay, firstly asset, then liability, expenses, revenue and capital. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.